Learn how to use chat to reduce context switching and execute account work with natural language prompts. In this video, you will cover where to find chat and how it changes depending on the context you're working in, how to use chat and accomplish a specific objective with natural language prompts, and where to find chat conversations for later reference. Chat is available wherever you work. You can start the day with chat on the homepage, find chat on company or contact profiles, or use it to assist you in views. Unlike generic AI chats, chat in GTM Workspace adjusts to the type of work you are doing. When you ask a question on the homepage, chat references your entire book of business. In a company profile, it only focuses on that account. In a view, it only analyzes the records from that sheet. Now let's use chat to accomplish a goal. Let's say you're an account manager who wants to monitor account health. First, go to the waffle menu in the top right and select GTM Workspace. Once you're in, select Views on the left. In Views, you will locate a Salesforce grid, which contains the accounts we want to check. Instead of using chat on the homepage or a company profile, using chat in Views will enable it to be context-aware of these specific accounts, helping it to be more relevant with its output. Select the Ask Copilot button in the top right to begin your chat. Start with, let's run a health check on the accounts in this view. Who's at risk? Focus on recent engagements, key contact departures, competitive research, etc. The more specific we can be, the better. After processing, you can now see which accounts to prioritize based on risk. You need to start reaching out, but who do you contact? You can use chat to create a buyer engagement map. This will give you the direction needed. Ask chat to create a buyer engagement map for Rapid7 from our risk assessment. After the buyer engagement map is finished, it's easy to identify the right people to contact. Simply click the Draft Email button to start reaching out. Chat will generate an email that is tailor-made to the context at hand. This is how you can use chat to accomplish multiple tasks with simple natural language prompts in just a few minutes. If you need to refer back to past chat conversations, select Chats on the left side of the platform and find all your past chats saved in a central feed. All chats are saved with the most recent ones living at the top, and if you don't see what you're looking for, you can use the search bar to find the exact chat in mind. Plus, wherever you have chat pulled up, you can click on the Recent Chats icon in the top left part of the window to rediscover past threads. Just click on one of the options, and your past conversation will come right back. With chats in GTM Workspace, AI insights are accessible for whatever work you're focused on. You can conduct all your account work in one window and execute specific objectives with simple prompts in minutes instead of hours.